Confused by which data champion to choose? Let's settle the Looker Studio versus Excel showdown. First, data handling. Excel shines with straightforward data entry and manipulation. Think simple lists and basic calculations. In Excel, simply type, sort alphabetically, or filter by specific criteria. Easy peasy. But Looker Studio eats complex data for breakfast. It connects to multiple, large data sources. Google Sheets, SQL databases, even Google Analytics. Next, visualization. Excel creates quick charts, bars, pies, lines perfect for internal reports. Select your data, click Insert, choose your chart type, and boom, you've got a visual. Looker Studio delivers dynamic, interactive dashboards ideal for presentations and sharing. Imagine interactive maps, drill-down charts, and real-time data updates. Collaboration. Excel requires emailing files back and forth. Looker Studio lets multiple people work on the same dashboard simultaneously. So, Excel or Looker Studio, choose Excel for personal use and smaller datasets, Looker Studio for team collaboration and big data needs. Now you know which data tool is right for you.